Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to use an in a sentence. An in English generally means on or at. It is used when we want to describe movements towards something or when we want to specify a certain time of events. It also works as a preposition when we want to say that we remember someone or something, or when we want to say that we have a lot of something. In the spoken language, an also means around. An is also used when we're talking about surroundings or when we want to say that we're working on something. At the end of this video, we will also take a look at the phrase an und für sich. Let's start with our first one. As already said before, an is used for describing movements towards something. For example, Vivian hängt ein Bild an die Wand. Vivian hängt ein Bild an die Wand. Means Vivian is hanging a picture on the wall. An is also used when we want to talk about time specifications of events. For example, wir sind an Weihnachten in London. Wir sind an Weihnachten in London. Means we are at Christmas in London. Note that you can also say wir sind zu Weihnachten in London. The usage of an and zu in this situation is original question. Next one. An also works as a preposition when we want to say that we remember someone or something. For example, Liz kann sich nicht an den Film erinnern. Liz kann sich nicht an den Film erinnern. Liz can't remember the movie. An works also as another preposition when we want to say that we have a lot of something. For example, der Apfel ist reich an Vitaminen. Der Apfel ist reich an Vitaminen. Means the apple has many vitamins. In the spoken language, an means around. For example, es sind an die 40 Leute im Raum. Es sind an die 40 Leute im Raum. Means there are around 40 people in the room. An is also used when we're talking about surroundings. For example, wir sitzen an der Bar. Wir sitzen an der Bar. Means we're sitting at the bar. An is also used when we want to say that we are working on something. For example, Peter arbeitet an seiner Präsentation. Peter arbeitet an seiner Präsentation. Means Peter is working on his presentation. And our last one, an und für sich. In English it means practically speaking. For example, an und für sich spricht nichts dagegen. An und für sich spricht nichts dagegen. Means, practically speaking, there's nothing against it. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day and see you next time.